Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Birds Aren't Real, the game. Now this is a pretty fun game, so let's get into it. A long time ago, the US government decided to make drone birds to survive all citizens. The Louisiana purpose, the water single, Obama's election. However, conspiracies have begun. One town in particular, Gala, is roaring conspiracies of upcoming election results. The major... I can't read that. Birds aren't real! Birds aren't real! Fake! Agent? Agent? Glad to see you're safe. Looks like you crash landed. Your mechanics must have become rusty. No worries, you're still in shape to complete your first mission. Let's get you quick back to the demolic. Check done. Sorry if I got that kinda wrong. You can read it yourself if you would like. That was a rough landing, BO2. Let's run some dynamics to see that you're working. That missing propeller might be a problem. Says outside the yard. Locate the gate key and require the propeller to avoid suspicion at all costs. We cannot allow praying eyes to compose our mission. Alright, WASD. Alright, I see it, alright? Suspicion detected. The civilian is suspicious. He'll become hostile soon. How do I fly? Press F to lower ground suspicion. Just a normal bird, sir. Close to clearing. Pick up the key. Go. Dude, I can't see the gate. My god, where's my... Oh my god. Alright. Go. How do I fly? Is it F? Oh, there's my propeller. Didn't even tell me to do this yet. I don't think it knows I'm outside. Alright, propeller installed. Oh. Alright. Good work. Your propeller looks like it'll be in good working order. That civilian is back. Let's see who they are. This isn't good. Your civilian database has been wiped. You'll need to recover the database yourself. First, place the nano tracker on the target by pooping on them. Second, take a picture of their face. That combined will automatically fill out the target's profile in your database. Alright, tab. Poop will find brick. Alright, come up here. Alright, go. Oh my god, alright. I don't have... Alright. Oh, I missed. Alright. Caution, poop indicated. Oh no. Shield deployed. Lose line of sight and hide in the foliage. Go, go, go. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. He isn't angry. This game is glitched. I'm just a bird. Access camera with C. Go up, go up. Alright. Well, hello there, Jane. Visit former agent real soon for assault of a federal agent and attempt of destruction of federal property. Exit camera with C. Great work. Good luck out there. Okay. This is a fun game, bro. Alright. Where are you? Hello there, civilian. I'm just a normal bird. The cog. Hey! Hey! Am I dead? Where am I? Ready? Sideways, sideways. They're walking, alright? Alright, wait for them. Alright, just get in front of them. And then... Alright. Okay, where is this man? Alright. See? Hello, sir. Shh. Let me get this guy in there. Almost over their head. Ready, and... Got him. Go, go, go. Oh, damn it. Hate this person. Alright. All I gotta do. I can't move or anything. Oh, dang. This game is hard. Alright, get a picture of her. You wanna see? Oh, alright. I have to restart apparently. Alright, get ready? Ready? Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Just a bird. Just a normal bird. Very, very cool. No idea. Go, go, go. Ready? just a normal bird, doing normal bird things. Put on people, that's what birds do, right? Well. Now get a picture. Quick. You just pooped? Alright, go down. Go up. Hiding foliage. Alright. See? Where's this man? There he is. Oh, there he is. Alright. Go down. Going down. Alright. Love you too, bye. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Goodle. That's funny. Alright. Ready? Go. See, it's hard to do this. I found a book. Nice. Ooh, can I drop this on someone? That would be funny. Let's try it. Let's try to do that. Stay there, Grandma. Oh, that is what that's for. Nice. Alright. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video there. Our radio towers can't support from this distance any further and you will crash. Let's see what happens if I go further. No, the other way. Other way, sir. Agent, where are you going? Get back to work. Naji. Dang it, it doesn't let me go. Alright, guys. That's going to wrap up this video. I probably will be doing a few more videos on this game. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you all soon. Thanks. And have a fantastic rest of your day.